Using Salesforce CPQ for growth. Salesforce CPQ benefits. Increased sales. Salesforce CPQ automates the sales process. It helps sales teams close deals faster and more efficiently. Efficient pricing. With Salesforce CPQ, you can automate pricing calculations. This ensures they are accurate and competitive. Streamline quoting. Say goodbye to manual quoting processes. Salesforce CPQ makes it easy to generate professional and accurate quotes in no time. Salesforce CPQ implementation consultation. Work with a Salesforce CPQ expert to assess your business needs and design a customized solution. Training. Provide thorough training to your team to ensure they are proficient in using the platform effectively. Integration. Integrate Salesforce CPQ with other systems for seamless operations and data flow. Customization. Tailor Salesforce CPQ to meet your unique business requirements and workflows. Salesforce CPQ pricing. Salesforce CPQ has an edge in pricing. It can automate pricing calculations using real-time data and market trends. This ensures that your pricing strategies are always up to date and in line with customer expectations. Salesforce CPQ strategy. A solid Salesforce CPQ strategy is essential for sustainable growth and success. To get the most from Salesforce CPQ, set clear goals, use the platform's features well, and keep improving your processes. Conclusion. In conclusion, Salesforce CPQ is a valuable tool for any business. Its powerful features, automation, and analytics can boost sales and drive growth.